Meet Barvik Merchant, Velrada's Director of Data and AI. His career includes senior roles at Microsoft and major data modernization projects across industries, giving him deep expertise in analytics and data strategy. Barvik is also a community leader, speaker, and author on Power BI performance. In this conversation, we will explore how AI is changing enterprise data and analytics, the pitfalls to avoid, and why trust begins with a strong data foundation. This is Velrada Does AI. How has AI affected the way enterprises approach data and analytics? And are there any pitfalls to avoid?
So in my mind, AI has literally flipped the traditional analytics pyramid. So we think about this pyramid that starts with historical reporting and then looks at more operational reporting and slowly builds up capability and maturity until you get to predictive and prescriptive insights, with AI and machine learning. That's how things used to be before LLMs came about. Now, people are starting with AI experimentation instead, and then discovering that they need high-quality data to get the highest value out of those AI agents. So yeah, literally flipped everything around, and now AI is leading data rather than data leading towards AI.
We also hear a lot about robust data foundations. In the context of trust, can you comment on this with an AI lens?
Yeah, so trust has always been important from a data perspective, even before AI came about and became very popular. We hear about these stories about boardroom meetings or important decision-making meetings where people have come in with printouts or, iPads or laptops with different versions of the same number, and there's confusion and arguments, etc. But ultimately, your effectiveness and efficiency is being held back because of the lack of trust in data. Now, with AI, as I said, it's proportional because my argument is it's even more important to have a robust data foundation, and we'll talk a little bit about what that is. But if you can't trust your data, then can you trust an AI on top of that same data? Probably even less than you would. So that's my answer. So what do we talk about when we mean robust data foundations? Well, it's a lot of the traditional things that are sort of boring these days in the data world. So data governance, metadata, lineage, and stewardship. But there's some newer concepts coming about now, like tracking, like model quality, model outputs, and establishing feedback loops. So really, that's where the robust data foundation starts, and then how it's now extended to take care of AI here in the modern world.
Barvik's insights reflect Velrada's commitment to building trusted data foundations for our customers. Innovation starts with data, because without it, there is no AI. Ready to unlock the full potential of AI? Partner with Velrada, and let's start building for tomorrow together.